MADI's BrushBlade and Safety BrushBlade. Both are manufactured with the highest grade stainless steel for corrosion resistance and better edge retention than other knives available on the market. The Safety Blade provides safety for the user without compromising effectiveness or durability. It is easily opened and closed while wearing rubber gloves. The brush accepts conductors up to 1000 MCM. Its convenience greatly increases the probability of the conductor being cleaned properly. The brush may be replaced when necessary by removing 3 Phillips head screws, sliding the old brush out, sliding the new one in, and reinstalling the screws. Visit MADILLC.com.